Hi, it's Therese from Lostinpaper, and today I've got a card to share with you and showing you just one way to use wide washi tape. Now these are some of the new release from Altenew, and this is part of a blog hop and also a giveaway, so if you head to my blog through the description link below, then you can find out how you can win. Look how awesome these are. This pink one is a pixel one. It's hard to see, but I'm going to have to create something with this. It's got little squares all through it, but today I'm going to use the tuxedo. And what I thought I'd do is kind of like create my own cardstock pattern with this. And I've got a piece of the 110 Nina cardstock, and I'm literally just going to adhere this washi tape over top of the cardstock to create my paper. But you can see the fight is real. I didn't lay it down very well. I wasn't concentrating. I just kind of slapped it on. But washi is very forgiving. Although I did rip a little bit of the paper in the corner there, but that's okay. We'll cover that up later. That's one of the good things about washi, is you can generally re-adhere it. It is a bit harder when it comes to the wide, but I think I saved it. And I've got another 9.9 meters left. So wish me luck. Alright, so I'm cutting my panel down just smaller than my card. It's a top fold card that I've got here. I've added some fun foam to the back, and I've used some coloured fun foam because I've told you I'm on a mission to use it all up. And this is a new to me set. It's not a new set, but it's the Floral Fantasy die collection, and there is a stamp that's similar, and I do adore that, but I'd never got the dies, so I'm really excited to have these dies, and they're so easy to put together. See that little notch just where my right finger is right there? You pretty much just line that up on all 3 layers. There's only 3 layers to this flower. I've cut it out of some beautiful Altenew cardstocks, and I'll link them at my blog as well. I'm adding the matte medium to the back of each of the layers. So I did the middle layer first and now the top. It doesn't really matter what order you do them in. Well, you need the top layer on the top and the middle layer in the middle. But you know what I mean. Adhere them together in. Okay, so all that's left to do now is to put my card together. See, told you, a really simple card today. How cool is that tuxedo washi? Who would have thought that was washi tape? I got more plans for this stuff. I'm determined to use it. Probably not the whole 10 meters this week, but I'll get close. No, I'm joking. I'm not going to use the whole 10 meters this week. Alright, so I fiddle around with my flowers a lot, add adhesive, add glue dots, add pop dots, lots of leaves, and then it's time to add my sentiment. I did already have this sentiment die cut. It's from the Signature Words die set. There's 3 sentiments in the set, and I'm addicted to this set at the moment. And it's probably because they're a nice small sentiment, but they look good on anything, and they're really pretty font. So, I don't know, matte medium, stuck it on top, and it'll stick well on that washi. And one final thing is to cover up my little bump in the cardstock with some New Day enamel dots. And that's my finished card for today. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, and head to my blog if you're here in September 2018. You might win. So till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.